Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. My name is Nathan. Today is the 17th day of September 2015. The time now is 2 a.m. I slept, woke up to prepare for this big day, and in my video today, I just want to share with you guys something that I have seen, and something that I expect to make me some money later on today. After, of course, we know what is lined up for today. Later on in the day, we have the FOMC minutes, and the Fed and Madam Janet Yellen will be addressing the world and telling us what they plan to do as pertains to the rate hike or maintaining the rates or something. We don't expect a rate cut, of course. So straight up to my presentation today, I have seen something. I don't know if some of you guys have seen, and of course those of us who know my style, I trade the market makers model, and all I look to do is I look to trade in the opposite way of what most of us retail traders are meant to believe. The facade that is in this market is amazing. Many people are meant to believe that they need to trade in a certain way to make money. In Forex, I want to say right here in my video, ladies and gentlemen, that in Forex the majority are wrong, and that's why the majority lose money while a very small percentage of the traders make money consistently. So all I want to show you guys is something that is probably going to make somebody learn something from my video. So straight up to my presentation today, we can see the dollar CAD has been on an upward trajectory, or what people will call an uptrend. We are taught that the trend is your friend, respect the trend, never trade against the trend, and so on and so forth. But they don't tell us that the trend is going to end, and so on and so forth. So away from that, all I want to show you guys is we have a nice downward, or what we call a descending trend lines. And all we want to know or ask ourselves is that we can see a high and a series of lower highs. So you see, guys, are you seeing a series of lower highs? And obviously, for those of us who are familiar with chart patterns, those of us who know a little bit about price action, are able to identify these zones, and we know the concept of support and resistance, that when the price bounces over a certain level, we expect that level to be known or referred to as a support. So while we are drawing these lines, we are advised to draw a line of best fit. Understand? Those of us who have done some statistics and understand what we refer or what we mean by a line of best fit. So I've just drawn my line of best fit that is a support and also a resistance, depending on where the price was. Resistance, and that's about this level. Broken, retested, became support, and you can see prices have been dropped in this tight range. And what is going to happen is that we expect something is going to happen, guys. Something is going to happen. What is going to happen is that if price is held in this tight congested region, we are going to get what people call a breakout. Now the question we need to ask ourselves is, what are we seeing? This is a chart pattern that is called a descending triangle, and I wanted to take you guys to what the definition according to Investopedia, and we are going to define a descending triangle as a bearish chart pattern used in technical analysis that is created by drawing a trend line that connects a series of lower highs, exactly what you've seen, and a second trend line that has historically proven to be a strong support level. Normally traders will wait for a break of support and so on and so on and so forth. So away from that, I just want to show you guys what I meant by that. This is the descending triangle. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to understand that what the books teach us, or what we look at as the breakout, is that it has the probability of the breakout. Nobody is 100% certain that the market is going to break down. The descending triangle being a bearish flag only means that something can happen. People are anticipating a break of the support. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you right here that that is not what is going to happen, because in Forex the majority are wrong, and these are the odds of what is going to play out. 70% believe that the market is going to break the support level and is going to run down. You see, guys? So many traders, what are they going to do? They're going to identify these levels and could be place. This is what a professional rookie trader is going to do. He's going to identify the levels, and since they don't want to go in as a market or an instant execution, they are going to probably, I want to get into their minds, guys. I'm just trying to speculate here. I'm not saying that's what people are doing, because I don't know. I don't know. So could be they're going to, and this is exactly what some of them are going to do. They're going to put a pending order. They're going to put a pending order known as a sell stop, and they're going to put it at the level we have identified at around 31.14, and they're going to they're going to place their stop at 1.3345, and they will go in. Typically, that's what I probably want to believe, that any smart rookie trader is going to probably look at this and will be like, support here, I'll wait for this, a bearish flag, I'll wait for the breach of the support, and I'll put a pending order, then I'll make my money going down. And probably they're going to trail the market on their way down. They'll be looking at how they can make some nice, could be 300, 500 pips from the Fed minutes. Guys, I want to show you guys that this is what we call suicidal. To me, since I understand the market maker's model, I am going to know exactly what is going to play out here is that the market is not going to break the support and go lower. It's probably going to violate the support and close above. This is what I mean, violate the support and close above. We are going to get a pin bar. For those of us who know price action, you're going to get a candle that pierces through the support and then closes back above. And for me, I will be waiting for the breach of this declining trend line, a retest, and for the market to rally up. I'll be looking to place my buy right above the trend line as soon as I can see violation of the upper trend line, and I will be targeting the stops. My take profit will be somewhere higher than this. So ideally, I will be looking to go long in the side of the 30%. And to prove my methodology or my concept here is, we can go back in June this year, same pattern played out. Guys, I need you to use your eyes. It's good to use the eyes. We are blessed by God that we have the eyes, but could be we don't use our eyes well. This is what I saw, exactly the same pattern playing out, and exactly what happened is that we had a piercing, or what you call a stop hand, or a trigger to trigger people to go short right about this particular level. You can see this piercing line. See the support being violated. Look at what the market did. Bang! Broke the upward trend line, and this is exactly what we want to see. And the market rallied for another 700 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to finish this video today and explain that a descending triangle is not only a bearish flag, but it also has a probability that the market can go up, and it is that the odds are always stacked against the retail trader. So if you ride by this, what we are taught in the books, you will struggle to make money, or you may make some money, but in most cases the market makers will just play around with your conscience, and they are going to get the money away from you by targeting your stop. And this goes to show that the little percentage of the people that make money do the opposite of what the majority think, or what we are taught in the books. So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to think like a shark, think like a market maker. Try to get in the head of the retail trader, because retail traders are known to be very predictable in what they plan to do. So if you know where your opponent is, if you're going to a battle, you can easily win the battle because you know where to attack. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to finish this video today by showing you this is exactly what is going to play out, that we expect the dollar or a rate hike tomorrow, and the dollar is going to pop up, and guys are going to lose some bunch of money, while we smart traders make some good decent profits. That said, I want to finish this video and say that it's been a pleasure hosting you guys, and I'm looking forward to the next video. If you like my videos, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That said, speak soon, bye, and be blessed, and speak to you very, very soon. Goodbye.